All right, so transformations review. So if we're given f of x as a function, so we're trying to figure out how g of x would be related to f of x if g of x is equal to f of x plus 3. Well, this is just going to shift it up 3. And then if I did g of x is equal to f of x minus 1, this is going to be a shift down 1. It's going to make it go up and down for this is 2 of f of x and down twice as fast. And then g of x is negative f of x. It's going to make it flip upside down. And then if it was on the inside, this x minus 2, it's going to mean that it's going to shift it to the right 2. And the reason why is I have to plug in 2 for x to get what would have been 0 for x. So I'm shifting the whole graph to the right 2.